continue to the module 4. Now we'll discuss about alternative roofing system. So in that, first we'll go through the concept of roofing system. Alternative roof must be based on the satisfaction of several objectives. That is nothing but for which functions it is made, for which purpose it is made. It should reach the requirements of the roof system. So the primary functions of roof systems are: it should withstand the imposed dead loads and live loads, it should withstand the loads coming over that roof system, and the roof should prevent the leakage of water during the rain, and it should provide a secure enclosure, and the roof system must be cost effective, that is cost should be economical, and it should provide a durable roof covering, that is there should not be any maintenance work or repairing works. So in that, and it should also promote the thermal comfort in the interior. So some of the currently used technologies like thatch, tiles, asbestos sheets and reinforced concrete may be used, which fulfill these functional requirements. So if one examines the issue of cost reduction, it is clear that the reinforced concrete is not of durable technology. So the other options, which are very often not acceptable due to disadvantages like thermal discomfort, lack of security, lack of status value, and so on. So it is desirable to have more alternative which may provide the better performance on the average at moderate cost. That is, it is required to use the more alternative roof systems which fulfill all the requirements with the moderate cost. So it is also useful to explore the alternatives which meet the functional requirements, besides promoting the overall development of the community. That is, basically it should satisfy the functional requirement for which it is made. So we need technologies which promote the local self-reliance and reduction in energy consumption. This is the one of the main point in this topic and in this subject, that is the reduction in energy consumption with the effective function requirements. So types of roof, so depend on the type of construction, the type of methods used. So the roofs are classified in a different ways. So very often the roof system can be subdivided into roof structure and roof covering. Basically it is subdivided into roof structure and roof covering. So there are also roofs which combines the structure and covering in a single element. So that type of roofs are called as integral roofs. That is which combines the structure and covering in a single element. Those are called as integral roofs. So the roof may be classified as as I told, basically it is classified as structural plus covering and integral roof. So in structure and covering type of roof, there may be a thatch, tiles, AC sheets and jack arch. And in integral roof, the roof structures used are RC roof elements, ferro cement channels, brick walls, composite T-beam. Composite T-beam means in which the beams and slabs are casted at a time. Next, based on weight of the roof and manufacturing points, the roofs are sub-classified like light roofs, intermediate roofs, cast in situ roofs, prefabricated roofs, partial prefabricated roof, and heavy roofs. So the choice of roofing system will thus also mean a choice of specific type of roof and the class of technologies available under the type. So you should go for the roof for which type of roof material you are going to adopt and the technologies available for that. So next in that is the cost approach, the cost optimization. So the cost of roof structure depends on mainly three factors, which are loads acting on the roof, efficiency of the roof structural system, material used for the roof structure. So the cost and performance may be optimized by reducing the loads which coming on the roof panels, and also by reducing the span of the roofs. So improving efficiency of the roof structure and by selecting the cost effective materials. All these steps can be used simultaneously to reduce the cost, that is load. You can reduce the load coming on the roof and increase the efficiency of the structural system and the materials used for the structure. So this is about concept of roofing system.